Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch. Inimitable. Adjective. Inimitability. Inimitably. Inimitableness. Impossible to imitate or copy. Uniquely distinctive in a way that defies comparison. So exceptional or extraordinary that it cannot be replicated. Used humorously or ironically to describe something so peculiar that it resists imitation. Inimitable. Adjective. Impossible to imitate. The artist's inimitable technique made her work instantly recognizable. Mozart's inimitable compositions blend technical mastery with emotional depth, making them timeless. SAT or GRE. Inimitably. Adverb. Describes an action done in a way that cannot be copied. He spoke inimitably, blending humor and wisdom in a way no one else could. GMAT, TOEFL. Charlie Chaplin moved inimitably, turning simple gestures into comic art. TOEFL or GRE. Inimitability. Noun. The quality of being impossible to imitate. The inimitability of Shakespeare's plays lies in their timeless themes and linguistic brilliance. SAT or GRE. The inimitability of her leadership style lies in its perfect balance of empathy and decisiveness. GRE or GMAT. Inimitableness. Noun. Rare but valid. Synonymous with inimitability. Critics praise the inimitableness of her prose, calling it a singular voice in modern literature. GRE. Critics debated whether the inimitableness of the novel stemmed from its structure or its voice. GRE. 1. Likely question formats, analogies, SAT or GRE. Inimitable is to copy as unfathomable is to understand. Synonym selection, TOEFL or GRE. Matchless, peerless, unparalleled. Trap. Unique. Close but less precise. Unique doesn't always imply impossibility of imitation. Sentence completion, GRE or GMAT. Her blank style left critics in awe, as no other designer could replicate its elegance. Answer, inimitable. 2. Common confusables. Inimitable versus invaluable. Both positive but different. Invaluable means priceless. Inimitable means uncopyable. Inimitable versus intimate. Homophone risk in listening sections. TOEFL. Inimitable versus unimitable. The latter is non-standard. Testers may include it as a trap. 3. Relevant idioms or proverbs, rare but tested in GRE literary passages. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, but the inimitable remains unrivaled. 4. Test-taking strategies. For reading comprehension, GRE or GMAT. If inimitable appears, the text likely emphasizes uniqueness or superiority. For TOEFL listening, watch for intonation, ironic usage. For example, his inimitable clumsiness may imply humor. For SAT or GRE vocab, pair inimitable with artistic genius, irreplaceable talent, or singular brilliance in essays.